It's like a flowering machine. It continues to push flowers, so you have over 150 days of flowers. That's a lot. You know any plants that give so many flowers? It's art, eh?
Yeah. And also it's really beautiful, like inside.
Sunset flow.
So how long is the like a flowering period?
It keeps on going.
Keeps on
till
going.
frost.
Till frost.
Yes.
From the spring. Till
Yes.
Frost.
Yeah.
It's more than like 200 days.
Yeah.
How about like cold hardness?
Cold hardness is minus 20 Celsius.
Pick it up.
This is a big plant, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, this is 3 years old, and most of the lupinus, they are short-lived.
Short-lived.
This is a long-lived
Long-lived.
lupinus, and smell the flowers.
Oh, it's
That's
very,
nice.
Yeah, it's nice. And this is like height.
Bigger, more flowers. I think over 250 flowers.
Wow.
Only one plant.
오늘 저희는 유럽에서 이 전 세계적으로 유명한 이 새로운 식물들에 대해서 쇼케이스를 하고 있는 그런 공간에 와 있습니다. 여기는 일반인들은 정말 오기가 쉽지 않은 곳입니다. 그래서 제가 여러분들을 위해서 여기에 네덜란드까지 날아와서 식물의 트렌드를 보여드리기 위해서 왔는데요. 이 네덜란드 시장을 우리가 항상 주목해야 되는 이유가 있습니다. 바로 이 전 세계에서 육종을 했던 이 화훼들이 성공을 하느냐 실패를 하느냐의 어떤 테스트 베드의 역할을 하고 있는 곳이 바로 이 네덜란드이기 때문입니다. 그래서 이 네덜란드에서 성공했던 그런 식물들은 우리나라에서도 2년 혹은 3년 내지 후에 성공하는 케이스가 굉장히 많기 때문에 우리가 네덜란드 시장을 굉장히 눈여겨봐야 하는데요. 그래서 앞으로 우리 2026년에는 도대체 그럼 어떤 식물들이 우리 대한민국 또 식물 시장에서 굉장히 인기가 있을 것이냐, 식물 전문가인 이 피터 씨를 만나서 그냥 단순히 식물 전문가가 아니라 우리나라에 10번 이상 왔기 때문에 우리나라의 정말 고온 다습한 이 여름 그리고 혹한의 이 겨울 이러한 특징을 전부 다 알고 있는 굉장히 한국통 전문가라고 할 수가 있습니다. 2025년 수국 비즈니스 마스터 클래스가 6월 21일 경남 진주시의 초전 실내체육관 인근에서 전액 무료로 개최됩니다. 이번 행사는 전 세계 최고의 수국 전문가로 꼽히는 스프링 메도우의 팀 우드를 비롯해서 전남대학교 박서가 박사, JB가든센터 김정범 대표 등 수국 산업을 이끄는 3명의 연사가 함께 하고요. 그리고 기농의 신 안PD 저까지 함께합니다. 수국으로 안정적인 소득을 창출하고 다가오는 2026년 수국 트렌드를 미리 알고 싶은 분들께 꼭 추천드리는 자리입니다. 참여를 희망하시는 분들은 아래 번호로 문자로 신청하시거나 댓글란에 링크를 통해 접수해주세요. 네, 안녕하십니까. 기농의 신 안PD입니다. 유명한 인플루엔서이자 플랜트 러버인 우리 피터 씨를 제가 인스타그램에서 뵙다가 실제로 이렇게 뵙는데요. It's my great pleasure to meet you.
Always nice to meet you too. Yeah, it's all done by a big passion for plants. And I really like to make people happy with novel plants. And that brings a lot of happiness.
You've been to Korea a lot of times, right?
Yes, and I love the food.
You
The
love
food
the food.
is fantastic.
So your first choice is
Ami rose.
Ami rose.
New roses. Ami means friend. So it's a gift to my friend. And you have this rose because it keeps on giving flowers. And this is the world's first Persica rose. That is a ground cover rose.
Ground cover rose.
With a color changing flower.
Flowers.
And the flower is semi-double, a young plant. This is first flower. But what you can see, there is a big planter.
Okay.
The thing is, it's completely disease-free.
Disease-free.
So no diseases on the foliage, clean green
No
foliage.
disease, no like mildew.
Not at all. Not in high humidity. It's like a flowering machine. It continues to push flowers. So you have over 150 days of
150
flowers, and the color is changing. Here you see the bud starting. Then it colors like this, and then it colors like that.
Wow, these are changing.
Yeah, so from salmon to purple pink, and it has a light scent. So it's not perfumed, but it has a nice
not
scent.
too much.
Yes,
Yeah.
very good.
So how about the cold hardness?
It's very cold hardy.
Cold hardy.
Yes,
Ah.
minus 25 Celsius.
I
So we
see.
call that forever bedding plants.
Forever bedding plants.
Yeah, because
Wow.
it returns year after year.
So you've been to Korea. It was so high humid condition. Do you think?
Yes, very hot. But this is good because we trialed it at many high humidity places, and it surprised me because I didn't expect that. But it had no foliage problems.
No problem.
Yes.
Alright. right.
We will
Okay.
introduce this next year to the market.
Okay, next year to the market, so we can get a great product in the
Yes.
Korean market. All right, what's the next plant?
So the next plant is Euchera Eternal Flame, and it ticks a lot of boxes, which is very colorful foliage. It stands up very well. It looks like a coleus, but this is also very winter hardy. So it's also a forever bedding plant that comes back year after year. But it also flowers. So you have the combination. Here is a bigger plant. Here is a bigger plant. A combination of the flowers together with the foliage, which is two-tone colored foliage. And that combination is very difficult. And that's why we love Euchera Eternal Flame.
Euchera is like there are already a lot of varieties,
Yes.
right? So what do you think different from the other varieties?
Well, the difference is the two-tone color in combination with the flowers on a compact habit.
Compact habit.
So the hardiness, that makes this a standout. So when you have this planted, when it emerges in spring, it's completely orange. So from a very far distance, you can see it because it's in full color.
Where do you recommend to plant?
Full sun.
especially?
Yeah.
Full sun is also
Yeah,
possible.
yeah.
And also high humidity also
Yes.
bearable. So that's why you recommend it to the
Yes,
Korean market
correct.
for next year.
Yes.
The second one, so we saw the Eternal Flame. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Number
Okay.
3.
This is a brand new Levicia.
Levicia.
And Levicia is very cool for rock gardens.
Rock gardens.
It is super hardy, and this is also keeps on giving flowers. So this is a small plant in a container like this, but here you have a bigger plant.
Bigger plants.
And the flower color is unique, but look at the amount of flowers. That's a lot.
Wow.
You know any plants that give so many flowers?
Yeah, this is easy. not
It's
easy to
hard,
find.
eh?
Yeah. And also it's really beautiful, like inside, like the patterns
Yes.
and wow, this is
Sunset
very-
Glow. It's named Sunset Glow because it looks like a sunset and it looks like it's glowing.
Wow. So I think this is good to plant in the pot like.
Yeah, possible. Or if you have a rock garden, or you just put it on your balcony like this, and then you see new buds coming also.
So how long is the a flowering period?
It keeps on going.
Keeps on
till
going.
frost.
Till frost.
Yes.
From the spring till
Yes.
frost.
Yeah.
It's more than 200 days.
Yeah.
How about a cold hardness?
Cold hardness is minus 20 Celsius.
Minus 20 Celsius.
Yes.
Is it also drought tolerant?
Yes.
Drought tolerant.
That is
okay.
Levicia is known for drought tolerance. But it's mostly being used for rock gardens.
Rock gardens. I see.
So it needs to have dry soil.
How about the sun?
Full sun.
Full sun.
No problem.
Garden.
And when you put it in shade, it loses its vibrant color.
Should be full
Yes.
full sun. And the next one?
Well, then we have the Lupinova lupinus.
Lupinus.
Yeah, and here I will pick it up.
Should I help you?
No, it's okay. But look at this. This is a big plant, eh?
Wow.
Yeah, this is 3 years old, and most of the lupinus they are short-lived.
Short lived.
This is a long-lived
Long lived.
lupinus, and smell the flowers.
Oh, it's
That's
very,
nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah,
Yeah,
Not
scented
so strong,
flowers.
I like it. Yeah.
It's not strong, but sweet. And this also keeps on giving flowers because you see the new buds coming.
It's also it's also coming, right? So what should I do when it's when the flower is done? Should I cut it?
Yes,
cut
you
it
cut
and
out the
blooming
flower.
out again?
Yes, and that comes in multiple colors.
Ah,
So you have a
multiple
deep
colors.
purple, you have a yellow, a two-tone colored, and a pink.
Wow.
And they are super hardy. So
super
you have
hardy.
long flowering, clean green foliage.
Yeah. How about the cold?
Cold hardiness is minus 25.
Minus 25.
That's no
wow.
problem.
Amazing.
Yes. Yeah.
Does it also need a full a sun?
Full sun is better. Yeah.
Full sun is better.
Yeah. Not in shade. No shade.
I'm sure this can really catch the attention
Yes.
from people.
Yes. Yeah. You see the flowers coming, so you have really a long blooming
Yes,
time.
yeah, very long blooming time.
Very forgivable plant. I want to show you two more. Is that okay? One is a series of Coreopsis.
Coreopsis.
Yes. And these are pure Coreopsis grandiflora.
Yes.
But normally with grandiflora, it's only one color, and that's yellow. But
Yeah.
this is a color break because it's purple, it's red, it's dark gold,
It's dark gold.
and it's a two-tone. But look at the flower size.
Oh, yeah.
And you have clean foliage, no mildew, a lot of flowers.
Yeah, a lot of
So
flowers
that
are
also
coming.
keeps on pushing flowers.
Wow. And of course they're cold hardy and then
Very cold
yeah,
hardy.
yeah,
So you have 4. 1 second.
Wow.
I have to show you the. The collection of these colors together, so even in mixed, you can imagine
Wow. Wow, great.
big flowers.
Yes, like, great like combination also
Yeah,
as well.
you can make mixed planters.
Like these are perennials too, right?
These are very perennial.
Very perennial.
Yes.
Oh,
So minus 25.
minus 25.
Yeah.
So once you plant it, you can just
Yeah.
see all the time.
Yeah, we call it forever bedding plants.
And this is this like height.
Bigger, more flowers. I think over 250 flowers.
Wow.
Only one plant.
Wow. Only one plant.
Yes. Yes.
Amazing.
That performs under those climate conditions. Pretty brutal because of the high humidity. Then the last one.
The last one.
This is called Sensational.
Sensational. Lavendula sensational.
And it's the world's lavender with the most biggest flowers.
Okay.
They are now closed,
Uh-huh.
but once they open, it's like super big. But you see the size like this, that is super big. And in wintertime, it's evergreen. And in wintertime, you have completely silver foliage. And then in summertime, it gives this amount of flowers. So we even had it tested in Florida,
Florida.
where normally it's very difficult for lavendula because of the high humidity. But this one stands out extremely well under those conditions.
And also,
It's super strong stand.
yeah,
It's really nice.
because even they're not flowering yet. This is and also pretty tall.
Yes, correct. Yeah, so you see the sensational flower,
Sensational
and that's
flower.
a common variety.
Ah.
So you see how big the flower is.
This is the big and this is tall.
Yes,
I see.
rounded. Wintertime you have silver foliage.
Silver foliage.
So you have like a silver mount.
So this is not just about the flowering, also
No,
about the leaves,
yes,
the foliage,
yes,
the
yes.
colors. The foliage becomes silver in the wintertime.
Yeah,
I
and then
see.
in summertime, when it starts to flower, it starts more towards green. And then when it's getting cooler and cooler, you get foliage like that.
Wow, when it's
Yeah.
getting cooler.
Yeah.
Right? And like when should you like just prune it? Prune it
After
back?
the flowering.
After the flowering.
Yeah. That will be July, August.
July, August.
Yes.
And you cut it.
Yes.
And you get the new.
And then you have new shoots, and then it becomes even bigger.
Okay, Peter, thank you so much for making time for me and all our subscribers.
Always welcome.
네, 나무아빠님 국제적인 식물 전문가 우리 피터 씨랑 함께 2026년에 또 어떤 게 유행할 것 같은지 또 알아봤고 피터 씨는 특히 우리나라에 10번 가까이 왔기 때문에
네네.
그냥 식물 전문가가 아니라 이 우리나라 기후에 대해서 아주 잘 알고 있는 분이죠.
그렇죠. 네. 그 우리나라 기후에 대해서 잘 알고 있고 전 세계적으로 우리나라와 비슷한 기후를 너무 많이 봤기 때문에 어떤 식물이 잘 되는지 안 되는지를 잘 알고 있습니다.
네. 그럼 피터 씨가 5개 플러스 1 6개를 소개를 해줬는데
네네.
지금 올해는 저희가 보기 좀 힘들더라도
네네.
어떻게 내년에는 좀 볼 수 있을까요?
한
국내에서?
2026년도에서 한국에서 만나볼 수 있을 것 같습니다.